Vivid Voltage. And what is yours?
Phantasmal Flames Mega Evolution. Oh, might be different in terms of how I have to like rearrange the cards.
Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna assume it's the same.
Sorry.
Here you go. There you go. Okay, tell me when you're ready. Wait, that makes no sense.
The code.
Yes, pack is different. Well, I guess we'll figure it out. Let me know when you're ready.
And... Okay. Oh, wait. And... Go.
Go.
And go. And go.
Oh, it's a crybaby.
And go.
These egg fuckers again.
And go.
TCG player will be your best friend for buying cards and packs.
And go.
Oh fuck, I don't live here. Ooh.
Wait, I'm not trying yet. And go. Wait, what am I?
What? Look at that!
Wait.
Boom, baby!
Wait, look, I got Giga.
Oh, okay, so I did mine wrong somehow.
Oh, yours is different.
Yeah,
mine
is way different. Oh my god, that's my head!
Oh my god, I got a jumbo ice cream.
Wait, so it's just 1 star. So, according to Keen, this is probably doo-doo-berries.
Get the collectibles app. Look, we can check how much it is worth. Look.
I don't want to know how much it's worth. It's
Chat, guess how much
my heart.
Chat, guess how much it's worth right now.
And it's look, for violence, it's a punching Pokemon.
Quick.
Okay.
Oh my god, the Wi-Fi.
Hey, I want the collector's app. Does it save yours?
Yes.
$1 to $2, 25 cents, $2. Arthur, you're so shaky.
Oh no, it's loading twice now.
A hot dog.
Bro, where's my Wi-Fi? Sorry. Where's my Wi-Fi?
Wow.
I didn't check my last one yet, by the way. $1.34.
Amazing.
Okay, look at this one though. Look at this mega pull.
Looks like a butt plug.
BAM!
Oh. Wow! Look at her.
Wait, this is Dawn.
Wait, yours is better than mine.
Is it?
Yeah, you're 2 stars.
Wait, is this sick?
Yeah, that's actually good. Yeah, oh, sorry.
Is this sick?
Yeah, that's actually a good one.
Actually nice. I have to scan it.
Here.
Oh shit, I'm using the photo
actually
app.
a good one. That's a full set. This does look like a butt plug though. Also, I like this guy. Look how cute he is. It looks like a Gengar bug.
Wait, it said no match found.
Gligar. Can I keep him? He's also a fighting Pokemon.
$5.09. Oh my god, quick, sleeve it.
See, that's what you get for saying like,
Oh my god, it's my lucky day.
yeah, that's what you're saying that you want to collect trainers.
Oh my god. Chat, this is $5.
Okay. Next.
Okay, this one I put aside.
This one is Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage.
This is, let me get a different one. Chaos.
We lost $10 on that pack one.
Chaos Rising. What
does
you
it say? It's MeQC. So
The number at the bottom of the card will tell you the batter hits. If the right number is higher than the left after the slash, it will be in the money. Also, you can just search in Collector using the number.
Oh, so if the right is bigger than the left, so mine says 185 as the lower number, so it's 99 over 185.
So that's saying you good though.
Money.
Well, but mine is lower on the right, but it's 2 stars.
Maybe it's the opposite. Oh shit.
Horse champ.
I don't know how I'm supposed to do these.
Arthur made his money back. Oh, hey, yeah, brother.
Here you go for all my gamers.
Any gamers?
I had the rights and lefts backwards law.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So mine is actually worth doo-doo butter. That's okay, it's cool.
Turning around.
See, I don't know how to do my cards. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
You go from top to
we have 2 goes.
You go from top to bottom. Like you go down, you don't pull up.
No, you pull up. For
Oh,
the
you pull up?
stars.
Oh, I'm
yeah,
useless.
For the stars. So mine will come early if I get a hit. Okay, look, Clefairy. Drone Rotom. Oh my god, look, Arthur, it's a drone. You gotta put that in your collection. Oh my god, I got a Lugia.
What?
Okay, but that's not a good one, it's a common. But it's still
What?
cool.
Wait, isn't that insane?
Oh.
Wait, isn't that the craziest one that you can get?
Okay, but this is not a crazy, this is a common. Right? It has 1 star! Amaze! Woo!
Wait, this is sick though. Oh, it's just $2.
Just $2, guys. It's priceless in my heart. It's worthless in my
Wait,
heart.
oh my god, am I the trainer boy now? No!
Ooh, that one, wait, no, that one's a common.
Mega Tang, Metang.
You didn't get shit.
And then the final one.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's a star though, you know, it's like, shmeh.
Mm.
Do you want my drone?
What is this one worth? If you don't want it, I take it.
Probably nothing. That's okay.
Did I only get trash?
Yeah, that's
Okay, I gotta say though, it's like more exciting not having somebody next to you that knows exactly, because I could immediately tell if it was a good card, because Kim was like, yeah, that's a good card. I could tell it's trash.
And he's like, yeah, that's cool. He goes, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, this next one is Vivid Voltage, Sword and Shield. I got like 2 of some of the packs. Amazing.
I'm doing Scarlet and Violet.
Wow. I'll scan mine all after I put them in my binder.
Wait, Chad, actually press 1 if you're collecting Pokemon cards. I'm kind of curious how many of you guys actually know anything about it.
Gamers.
Because I'm a little bit curious.
So I'm not supposed to do anything with mine. Wait, maybe I do 2. 1, because I always have like 3 left over. So I'm gonna do 3 and just see how it is. Okay, yes, 3 or 4. I think it's 3. So I did 3.
What?
Okay, I still fucked it up. That's okay.
Ooh, somebody's messing it up.
Here, we ready?
Yep. Oh wait, I'm the wrong way around. Oopsie.
I got this crybaby bitch again.
Bro, I see Pokemon I've never seen in my life.
These damn eggs haunt me. Oh, he's cute.
I'm selling my collection to start my business.
What?
Bro, some of them look sick, but I know they're worthless.
I got Beauty.
I got Squawkabilly.
It's 4. It's 4 cards. Bullshit! I got another
Bro, I'm getting trainers all the time now.
That's not a trainer.
It is a trainer.
It's an item.
Yeah, but it's a trainer.
This is a trainer.
Look at this, look at
It
this.
says trainer.
Yeah, this one also says trainer, girl. Look, 3, 2, 1. It's another trainer. Don't make me the trainer boy.